Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This person had a repairman come to fix something, but he fell asleep. Someone ordered pizza from both Pizza Hut and Domino's, so there's only one way to settle something like this.
They want us to fight, bro. What they want us to do?
We gotta do it, brother.
Alright.
Let's go, homie. Let's go.
This guy had to go to court after being accused of stealing a jersey. So he showed up wearing what he claims is a different jersey.
Alright, you're charged with stealing a Dolphin jersey?
This ain't the one, young.
No?
No, ma'am.
These are professionals. Please do not attempt.
Base. Yeah, buddy. It's working. Yes. Yeah, buddy. Mic is open.
So why couldn't this automatic faucet detect his hand, but it could detect this paper towel?
Can you imagine going like this and that being the size of your head? Cause like, that's the size of his head.
A photographer was laying so still that these meerkats started climbing over him. This delivery guy found something in the grass. This person wanted to see what their bearded dragon would do if they pretended that they were asleep. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.